Okay, we're getting ready to pickle some quail eggs again, but we got a new machine I hope is going to help us. Never used it before, always peeled these quail eggs by hand, but we got us a electric quail egg peeler. And we hope we do this right, go by the directions and see what happens. And we'll go through the recipe as we go along. Okay, first off, we're gonna see if there's any bad ones. We got a bowl of cold water. We're gonna put our quail eggs in it. If they float, they're no good. So we'll put them in here and see what we have. Okay, those are good. So let's transfer these over and I'll do the others. And we'll finish them up here. Really a small egg there. All right, that looks like they're all good, none of them floating. Okay, I thought I'd show you the quail egg peeler. It's electric. It has no name brand on it. So I fired it up, sounds good, seems to work. I haven't used it yet, so we'll find out what it's like. Hopefully it'll come out right and do good. Comes with these instructions. I put a bowl here to catch the eggshells, and then we'll move them off after they're peeled. We'll go off into the side bowl there, and hopefully everything will work just fine. That means you've got two rollers here, and as you place the quail egg on here, and I think it needs to be some water on it, and it will help it. It don't need to be dry, and it'll peel them shells off the quail eggs, and after they're done, we'll just scoot them over to the other bowl. Okay, we're going to start putting them in, and it says to mix them after we get them in there. Now, we'll mix them at this point. And it says to bring to a boil, stop mixing, and let them boil for 8 minutes. Okay, we're gonna set the timer for 8 minutes. And we'll let them finish cooking. It says, okay, well, timer went off. They've been boiling for 8 minutes. We're going to put them in this cold water, let them cool down. All right, we got them shaking. They're all shaking, I say. You drain off the water after they've cooled, shake them, and it cracks them up. And then you put them back under running water, and it's ready to go. Now I'm going to turn this on. It's not very loud, and I'm going to put a little water down here. We're going to see what this does, just lightly. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, that's quick. I'm sure you're going to have some that are going to be contrary. Oh yeah, this works fantastic. See if we can do a 3-er. Oh yeah, look at that. This is neat. Well, I'll tell you what, you talk about saving time. This is a lifesaver. That is working great. All right, that's it. It did not take long to do that. We'll be back. Okay, we're gonna add 2 cups of white vinegar. Whoa, almost spilled that. And let's see, about a cup, maybe a little less, yeah, about a cup of cider vinegar. And about a half cup of water. All right, now we're going to put some onion here. I'm going to make it kind of chunky because I want big pieces in there. Okay. Now, this is mixed pickling spice. I'm going to put in about a half a tablespoonful. And I'm going to add some allspice, about 6. And about 4 whole cloves. Mustard seed, probably about a teaspoonful. And about a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And we're going to add some garlic. I don't have no fresh. This is ground garlic. Add the garlic to it. And about half a tablespoon of kosher salt. Since I don't have any jalapenos, we're going to add just about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now we'll get the old fire going up under. We're going to bring that to a boil. Give it a mix around here. Oh, you know what? I forgot one item, and that's sugar. We will add a couple of, about a tablespoon and a half. We'll let that come to a boil, and we'll mix it occasionally to make sure it ain't gonna burn. Okay, it's boiling. We'll give it a stir here. We'll let it boil for a little bit here, and then we're gonna turn it out and let it set and steep. Now those are some good looking hard boiled quail eggs. They are almost perfect. I mean, just came out just so nice with that quail egg peeler. worked fantastic. Got all these done in no time. Now I'm gonna try to count them when I put them in, try to keep up with how many we done actually. 2, 3. There's 10. There's 10, so there's 20 so far. And I want to start getting a little bit of the onion in there. No liquid just yet. A little onion on both. Now we're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll take that one. There's 10. Now let's add some brine to it that we made. Mix it here. And we'll see if we can. All right, now our battery ran down, didn't realize it. I don't think we lost too much, but we are gonna put the rest of these in here. So there was, now I was counting a while ago and I miscounted. There's 50 in these. There's 25 each in each jar, so that's 50. And this would be 51, 52. 60, 68, and I tell you what, that electric quail egg peeler sure saves the work. Get this one topped off and filled. All right. That on there. Get our ring on there. Usually I'll put jalapeno peppers in them, but this time I just decided to go with pepper flakes, a little cayenne, just something, a little bit of spice in there. Now this video was really more about the quail egg peeler I got. I tell you what, that's a lifesaver. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.